This is our project. Run into more obstacles in the ground than you shake a stick at. We run up through there, had to hand dig that. Was hoping to use the trencher handheld there, but the electrical comes through here right beside this T-post and goes up straight to where we were headed. So we hand dug that. Got to connect under the house. Got a perforated pipe here, no sock, just buried in the ground. It comes out here, about in line with the crepe myrtle, shoots back toward the house, and also on an angle back toward the backyard. I hit it here with the trencher. Luckily I noticed it, I didn't tear it up too bad, just knocked the top of it out. 2-inch drain, found a sump pump over there by that building. So we'll have to make these 2 repairs and out to the well pump house. Austin, put the Mustang to work. This is a must-have, something Austin built for me. It's a 1-inch T. You step on it, find your trench, and then you tamp it down.